In this video, we'll show you how to replace the toner cartridge. You'll see a warning message appear on the screen when the toner cartridge needs to be replaced. If your device has an electronic partnership with Fuji Xerox, then it will proactively alert us to the consumable that you need and a replacement will be sent to you. Otherwise, be sure to have a spare toner available when the low toner alert appears. Let's begin. Open the front cover. Grasp the toner cartridge and pull it out slowly. Take the new toner from the box and remove all packaging. Gently tilt the cartridge from side to loosen the toner. Holding the cartridge with the arrow facing up, push it slowly into the device until it clicks into place. Close the front cover, and that's it.